Hello, everyone. This is Ahmed from LavaLoon. Sorry, my English language is not perfect, but I will try to do my best. It's good? Okay, perfect. So let's start. Um, how we start our journey? Uh, how we start our journey with Frappe partnership? Actually, LavaLoon is not a very big company, but we have a quality. We work sorry, with a lot of enterprise account in Saudi Arabia, in Qatar, even in Germany. Okay, we support different modules and different models of business. Also we have a lot of technical capabilities that we already have: mobile application development, middleware, and also IoT devices integration as well. Okay, so this is a symbol of our work. It's called LavaDo and Lava Point of Sale. This is one of our achievement in Saudi Arabia in the Holy Mosque, Tanakul service. Okay, we are already working with it since March 2020, with over 1 million invoice per month. Okay, and this is what Omer said about us in his article. Also, if you like to read this article, just scan this QR code. Okay. Now, okay, LavaLoon, everything is good. So what is the problem? Actually, LavaLoon is a software company. We have a lot of issues, but we're facing these issues and try how we can be better. So we start to have our partnership with Frappe for the second time. Actually, this is not the first time to be a partner. Last time, the partnership model was different. But now the partnership is more better for us and also for all the partner as well. Actually, we started the communication and the negotiation with Pranica, okay, in December 1st, 2023. And after that, by end of December, our team member already certified as a ERP Next consultant as well. Okay, almost after 10 days, okay, we have the SOB or partner maturity level, and we gain 3 or 5 within 10 days. It's a very short journey, okay? But how does this happen? We are process-oriented company. We already know the process. We also work within enterprises. We have a lot of experience in banking, implementation, Oracle, in governmental sector, in Gulf. So this was a very quick journey, especially when you are dealing with supportive team like Pranika and Omer, also professional like Sally from Frappe School and other team member from Frappe as well. Now we have to achieve the target to change it from entry-level partner to bronze partner. Just we moved some of our customer from Microsoft Azure to Frappe Cloud. Because of that, we was a Microsoft server partner. Now we not server partner anymore. Okay. But at the same time, we have fixed a lot with our team. So what was the challenges that was facing? The first challenge, to position yourself. You need to have a fresh eye to audit your process, to see what you are doing right and what you are doing wrong. Okay? This is a huge advice. Some companies pay a lot of money to have this audit in their process. We get it for free to be a partner with Frappe. Okay? This is a screen who I am from the SOB program. Maybe if you are a partner, you can find it there. Okay? And this is the feedback. We was a Microsoft holic. We use a lot of technology from Microsoft. We're using Microsoft Planner, Microsoft Project, Microsoft Form, and almost all Microsoft projects, they give it for free because we are partners, okay? But we're facing an integration issue because some of tasks are in Planner and other tasks are in Microsoft Project, and some analysis you can find it in ERP Naked itself. But we are an integration company. We made an integration as well. So we make all these components talk to each other. But at the same time, it's a very headache to maintain this integration all the time. A lot of tools, a lot of integration, this take a lot of time. Okay? So from there, we have a new strategy to be 100% Frappe app, to use Frappe app in our organization. So for now, as you can see, this is insights. We're already tracing everything with insights, like what my team doing, what is the opening task. Also, our website, LavaLoon, we rebuilt it using Frappe Builder as well, okay? Now, we are 99% using Frappe application in our organization. So where is this 1%? It's still in Microsoft. We're still using Outlook and Microsoft Teams. And I believe next year, maybe Frappe will amaze us with those apps as well. Okay? So the other topic was our capacity. Okay, we are not an implementation company. We have an experience in implementation, but we are a software company. Okay? So we made a deep analysis using Frappe Insights, of course. After we having all the information in one place, we find that over 40% of our time from our development team was for support and bug fix. Only 60% for our product. Also, the 60% can be divided 70% for development and 30% for DevOps tasks like deployment, restore some information, all of this. So how we fix this? Actually, just using Frappe support and Frappe Cloud as well, it will be fixed automatically. By Frappe support, as you can see, they have a very aggressive SLA, and actually, they only fail once during the past 10 months. They have done a very great job with us for a very critical bugs, okay? Of course, we have the capabilities to fix, but now we focus on our product, okay? Also, for DevOps task, we start use Frappe Cloud. In one click, you have a new site for UAT, you have a development site, you can install your app, just next. It's a wizard. You don't have to type anything. Even a junior function consultant can do it, okay? So now, our development have 90% for their time to develop our own apps, and only 10% for other tasks. Actually, this 10% only for planning. Okay, what is the requirement and all of this. So we work hard. Also, we play hard. Now we have time to play PlayStation with my team. And also, you can figure from this who's winning right now. Okay? So, positioning ourselves, this is the first topic. Capacity, solved. Now, let's move to marketing and sales. I will talk about our experience. In Middle East, you cannot find a good salesman, especially for service company. Okay? If you are selling a product, it's really easy. But, okay, we're selling an ERP. Okay, I have an ERP. So how ERP Next support us regarding the issues that we are facing? I believe all the partners in Middle East having this issue. How Frappe support us in marketing and sales. Actually, they support us in three things. The first one, I will start from the right side. We are in Arabic, we start from the right to the left. Okay? So, partner webinar. Now we are more known for others through the webinars, like the one we done with Frappe team for KSA Compliance app. Also, deal support. If I have a deal, one of my lead need some reference. need some feature, okay? Simply, hello, I need to talk with the product owner for this feature. It's in our roadmap. May I add it to my roadmap? Also, please share with me your catalog for this industry as well. And of course, if you are doing a great job with Frappe and you meet their strategy, you will get a lead sharing as well. Okay? And actually, the lead that comes from Frappe was different because they already knowing ERP Next, they already knowing Frappe, so it will not take a lot of time from me. Okay, this is an ERP Next. Okay, it's an Odoo? No, it's an ERP Next. I already know ERP Next. Okay? But the most variable part in our partnership was understanding the market's needs and demands. And actually, that is what happened. We already have a customer. We implement for him Zatka Phase 2 integration. Okay, done. But after this, we get a meeting with Omer and Pranka as well. And why we don't do it in open source? We never do anything in open source. They take a lot of time, okay, to make us make it an open source. A lot of negotiation. But by the end, Engineer Khaled approved to be an open source, and actually it will going to be start a strategy in LavaLoon as well. So we start, I believe, in March to develop our open source app for Zatka integration, phase 2. It's mainly was for phase 2, but after that we add also phase 1 as well. This is Zatka, or KSA Compliance, Zatka phase 1 and 2 as well integration. Okay. So we add almost all the features needed from Zatka, like B2B, B2C batch mode, live mode. All the requirements from Zatka is already added to the app itself. Also, this is the number that we can get from the customer that shared with us their number. Okay, of course, the number is more higher than what we're seeing right now. We have over 3 million invoice has accepted by Zatka. This is not only the right number. The number is high. And actually, it's 100% open source under EGBL licenses. So feel free if you want to fork this app, to use it in your on-prem server or even in your customer service as well. Now, I stole this screen from ERP Next, you putting a lot of apps, and then in numbers. Our number is still small, but I believe next time when you come here, we will have a different number as well. Now we have 120 installation on Frappe Cloud, over 13 star on GitHub, 20 fork from our app, also a 30 closed issue on GitHub. So we give everyone, ask me or ask LavaLoon, we have an issue in this, we have a feature, if a feature will be added to our roadmap, if an issue, it will be solved. Of course, if you're looking for an enterprise support, you have to pay, and it's welcome. Okay, you can scan this QR code to have the link for the app. Now, this is the first chapter of our partnership with Frappe. How the partnership started. Now we start a new chapter with Frappe. I would like to call it innovation through collaboration. Actually, to being here in Frappe verse, this is the first time to be in India. A lot of spices. Okay. But actually, I find that, yeah, many partners with many solutions, we can work together in many ways. Okay? So, of course, we will be in GITEX with other partners as well this year. And finally, maybe you asking for what is Frappe Alliance. So the answer will be in Omer talk in the last 5 minutes, I believe. So you have to attend this. Okay? Thank you, everybody. If you have any question, just share it.